Okay, I'm going to show you how to build one of my VRS wine racks. That's a vertical rack wine rack. You can see the members are vertical. On all my other racks, everything's horizontal. Here we go. You're going to get some horizontal fascia strips. Some are going to be for the bottom, some are going to be for the top. Take the two that are marked for the bottom and lay them out. One will say front, one will say back. They'll both indicate whether they go up or down. You're also going to get some shelves, and they're all going to be labeled. They're labeled 1 through whatever, and they'll have an indicator for the front and the top. And you'll just have to place them in accordingly. And you're also going to need a screw gun and some screws that come with it. And I'd go ahead and just dump those screws out so that they're somewhere handy. Maybe put them in 2 spots. At any rate, first thing you want to do, you can set the first shelf aside. We're going to work from the back so that you can see what I'm doing. So, set the first shelf aside. Take the second to last shelf, or the second shelf in your case, and insert it a little snug is good. Once you get the first one in, all the others go pretty easy. Everything's just going to slide down. When you get to the first one with screw holes, go ahead and put a screw in. This will kind of hold things together while you work on it.